In this video, I will show you how to extract time from date and time in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some date and time values in this column. Now I want to extract only time values from these cells by discarding the dates. But before we do that, let's first understand how date and time values are stored in Excel. Excel stores dates as serial numbers and it starts from 1st January 1900, which is represented by the number 1. That means if you have a cell containing the number 1 and if you format it as a date, you will get the date 1st January 1900. Similarly, the number 2 will become the date 2nd January 1900 and so on. Excel stores time as a fractional value of 1 day and it is represented by a decimal value of 1, which is between 0 and 0.9999. That means if you have a 0 in a cell and if you format it as a time, you will get the time as 12 am. Similarly, the number 0.5 will become the time 12 pm and the number 1 will again become the time 12 am. For example, the date 1st June 2024 12 pm is represented by the number 45,444.5, where 45,444 represents the date portion and the 0.5 value represents the time portion of the date. Since the dates are serial numbers and time values are fractional values, we can easily extract the time from the date and time by discarding the integer part from it. To do that, we can use the Excel mode function. The mode function returns a reminder of two numbers after division. This function accepts two arguments, the number to be divided and the number to divide with. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type mode followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date and time as the first argument of the mode function. Type a comma and then type 1 as the second argument. Type the closing bracket of the mode function. When we divide any decimal number by 1, we get the fractional part of that decimal number as a reminder. For example, if we divide 2.25 by 1, we get the decimal portion of the number, which is 0.25 as the reminder. In this case, since the time in Excel is represented by the fractional part of the date serial number, we will get that as the reminder. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. The time values may not be displayed properly because we still need to apply the proper time format to these cells. To do that, select all these cells and press the Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the Custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the type text box and then enter HH:MM as the format. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have extracted the time from date and time values. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.